not the end crochet. Just got in from Michael's. My neighbor in Michael's is like 20 minutes away down in Gastonia. I went there hoping that they had set up their cake shop for the carrying cakes, but they had not. Nothing was on sale except for some jewelry items that I really didn't need and didn't get. But I did get a few things. Try to keep the light going. I got this. Got a book. I got several books over the past few months, and it's got a CD to go along with it. Else I wouldn't have bothered with it. Been needing one of these. Been looking at them on eBay and Amazon, and I really didn't like them, so I decided I'd just get a name brand one. And I bit the bullet and got some Scarfy yarn, Lime brand. Let's see what it says. Cream black. It's categorized as a 5, and it's asking for 11.5 hook, I believe. Yep. And I saw this. I said, that is really pretty. That would make a cool scarf. So that's my small short haul from Michael's. Remember to like and subscribe. If you subscribe, be sure and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted to my most recent uploads. You all keep sweet. God bless. Hugs and peace out.